It's on 900 bucks. You take 900. Once I saw them out, I think
The blue front another one.
Thank you.
1983. You want to buy it?
He bought them off you, that pair? He bought them off
He
you?
bought them off me, he bought them off somebody else.
Off somebody else.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was just talking to him about the birds.
I'm just looking for something mature. They're still little.
Well,
they hand raised?
The thing is, to find something mature
Yeah.
here is hard because, generally speaking, the reason somebody's selling a mature bird is they've lost its mate and they've got to replace it.
I was gonna buy male separate than a female. Then put them.
That doesn't make them compatible either. Because
Yeah,
I've done
yeah.
that before, and I've put them together, and then the cockbird beats the
I know they choose their partner. Yeah, I know they choose their partner. Yeah,
But,
they're nice though.
but
Yeah, you're not asking much for a cockbird. Only 600.
the single cockbird, I'll do
Yeah.
600.
Yeah,
It's one of those. I'll have to have a look.
he's
at
got
it.
good colors too.
Yeah, I think that's the single one. That's the cockbird. I'm just trying to see the leg ring.
No, you're right. You're right.
That's a cockbird there.
Oh, that's a one in the middle. Okay.
One in the middle of the cockbird. And that one's the hen.
That's a hen. Okay. Yeah, she's got good coloring.
Yeah.
I'll have a look around and come back
Yeah.
here. Yeah. Okay.
But what I was going to say is, in terms of price, I know you're looking for mature pairs, but that's a pretty good price for a young
Yeah,
pair.
for a young pair. Yeah, you just gotta keep them for like 2 years, and yeah, then they will have a longer breeding life as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Fire ringneck. I mean, fire Amazon.
Yes. Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
Fire Amazon.
Yeah, there's a lorikeets. Quakers. Yeah, there's a lorikeet right there. Yeah. That's it.
Another bag.
Mustache pair. They are young mustache parrots.
Look at that.
Give it
Are
out.
mustache parrots similar to ringnecks?
Yes, somewhat similar.
They got us Motorola. Motorola.
They are natives and red wings. They are found in inland New South Wales and
I like
Queensland.
that one.
Yeah, that's a